held your tears when they took me from your arms. I'm sure I must have heard you say goodbye. Young and so afraid, had you made a big mistake? Could an ocean even hold the tears you cried? But you had dreams for me, you wanted the best for me, and you made the only choice you could that night. And you gave life to me, a brand new world to see, like playing baseball in the yard with Dad at night. Mom reading goodnight moon and praying in my room. So if you worry if your choice was right, when you gave me up, oh, you gave everything to me. And if I saw you on the street, would you know that it was me? And would your eyes be blue or green like mine? Or would we share a warm embrace? Or would you know me in your heart? Or would you smile and let me walk on by? Knowing you had dreams for me, you wanted the best for me. Oh, I hope that you'll be proud of who I am. You gave life to me, a chance to find my dreams, and the chance to fall in love. You should have seen her shining face on our wedding day. Oh, is this a dream you had in mind? When you gave me up, oh, you gave everything to me. And when I see you there, watching from heaven's gates, into your arms I'm gonna run. And when you look in my eyes, you can see my whole life, see who I was and who I've become. 'Cause you gave life to me, a brand new world to see, like playing baseball with my son late at night, and reading